Are you a woman dealing with imbalanced hormones? Infertility, PCOS, PCOD, diabetes, acne, hair fall, or other issues? If yes, then you've clicked the right video. Without further delay, let's get into the video. Number 8. Weight loss and weight gain supplement. Whether you are struggling to shed some pounds or looking forward to gaining some mass, a handful of pumpkin seeds is a perfect evening snack for you. Being a rich source of protein and dietary fiber, pumpkin seeds suppress hunger and keep you full for a longer time. To lose weight, use unsalted pumpkin seeds. Dry roast them at home for extra crunchiness. For weight gain, you can have a store-bought salted version of the seeds. Number 7. Effective for cancer prevention. Pumpkin seeds are a highly effective supplement for the treatment and prevention of certain types of cancers, including prostate, breast, stomach, and colorectal cancers. This is mainly due to the presence of powerful antioxidants. Number 6. Say bye-bye to insomnia. Pumpkin seeds contain tryptophan, an amino acid that is the precursor to melatonin and serotonin. It helps with insomnia and induces peaceful and stress-free sleeping patterns. Number 5. Have stronger bones with pumpkin seeds. Do you know every 1 in 3 women suffers from osteoporosis? Pumpkin seeds contain an ample amount of magnesium, which improves bone density and is essential for bone formation. Number 4. Boosts fertility. Struggle to get pregnant? Well, have a handful of pumpkin seeds. Being a rich source of zinc, vitamins, and antioxidants, pumpkin seeds are great for regulating blood flow to sexual organs for the proper maturation of eggs. Doctors also recommend foods rich in zinc to eat during pregnancy. This helps in ensuring a healthy pregnancy. Number 3. Reach your hair and skin goals. If you want to flaunt your perfect hair and skin, consume pumpkin seeds regularly. Healthy fats in it add a glow to your skin. Pumpkin seed oil adds shine and volume to your hair as well. Number 2. Healthy reproductive organs and sexual well-being. Compounds like carotenoids in pumpkin seeds prevent prostate cancer, overactive bladder, and other UTIs. It is also an effective treatment for benign prostate hyperplasia. Number 1. Superfood for PCOS. Struggling with irregular periods? Try seed cycling. This involves eating pumpkin, sesame, flax, and sunflower seeds at regular intervals to regulate hormones. Pumpkin seeds are a superfood for PCOS. This brings us to the end of the video. For more such health-related content, stay tuned.